YouTube, what it do? Today I'm giving y'all a quick beard tutorial. Right here I'm holding the razor at a 30 to 45 degree angle, setting in my first initial, you know what I'm saying, this the rough draft right here. I'm aiming at any hairs that are not aligned with the fullness of his beard, and I'm also going over his cheek area, making sure, you know what I'm saying, any hairs that are on his face, you want to knock those off too, to give that beard a even more crispy look, you know what I'm saying. So this right here is the rough draft, and that white line you see, that's called the ash line. You can only get that using the razor. So you're gonna see me knock the first initial ash line off, and I'm gonna re-tap it for the second time, so I can make sure that the beard line is gonna be super crispy. And to get the beard line to curve, you have to stretch the skin with your opposite hand. When you stretch the skin, you pulling it in the opposite direction, and when you drop the skin back down, it's gonna automatically create that curve effect on the beard. You know what I'm saying? We all know the razor is straight as an arrow. So to create that curved line, you gotta stretch the skin with your opposite hand. And don't forget to subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? If you eat your cereal with milk, subscribe. If you like apples, subscribe. If you like ice cream, you know what I'm saying, cookies and cream, subscribe. And on the opposite side, we're gonna do the same exact steps. Remember, you know what I'm saying, you want the beard to be leveled on both sides, so you want to use a reference point like the corner of his mouth, his mustache, you can use his nose, but you want the beard to be at the same level on both sides. You do not want one side higher than the other. So remember to use a reference point for where your client's beard will end. And if you still watching this tutorial and you haven't subscribed yet, I'm sending my hitters, man. I know where you stay. He know where your mama stay. He know where my mama stay. You say he had a gun when you seen him, right? Listen, I'm sending my hitters. For those of y'all watching that didn't get that last, you know what I'm saying, little joke I made, it was from a movie called Friday, man. So don't get scared, man. My hitters ain't coming for you. But subscribe, though. And for me, I like to do all the beard work while my client is reclined. They might fall asleep on you, but that's a good thing. But I like to do all the beard work while my client is laid back, relaxed, you know what I'm saying, all comfortable. And you want to treat the beard line just like, God dog, hold on, I need some water. But like I was saying, you want to treat the beard line just like you would treat a hairline. You do not want to push it in, you know what I'm saying, or push it up, or push it down, whatever. You don't want to do none of that, because new growth will start showing within a matter of 2 days. And you want your client to stay fresh for at least 5 days. At least, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, keep the beard line as natural as possible. And also around the neck area, it's a very sensitive area, so you do not want to use zero gap trimmers, because they cut super close, and the neck area is so sensitive. You do not want to cause irritation by using zero gap trimmers. So with that being said, you just seen me swap out my bald detailers for my babblers. Neither one of these trimmers are fully zero gap. The babblers are just stronger, so I switched the trimmers because the detailers weren't getting it. Now that I'm done setting in my beard line, now I'm finna come in with my detailers and clean up the bottom portion of the neck. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. You know what I'm saying? Same steps. A lot of people start in the middle of the beard and go out, but I don't know, I'm different. You know what I'm saying? I start out on the outsides and meet in the middle. You know what I'm saying? It might be better. I might switch it up, but for right now, this the way I do it. Y'all can start in the middle or start with, it's whatever you prefer, man. Everybody has a personal preference.
You crazy for this one.
But look here, I see why most people start in the middle. But cuz my beard was crooked. But listen, learn from my mistakes, start in the middle, work your way out to avoid having to retouch up the opposite side, you know what I'm saying? That's one thing by me, man. I'ma show everything, all the flaws, the bloopers, you know what I'm saying? Cause we gonna learn together, you know what I'm saying? I know quite a lot, but I'm still learning. And with that being said, if y'all like this video, make sure you subscribe, man. You like apples? Subscribe. You eat your cereal with milk? Subscribe. You like ice cream? Subscribe. Cookies and cream, remember that. MikeWillBlendIt. I'm out. Y'all stay blessed.